If you love mushrooms, this is a dish you've been waiting for. A little good Italian olive oil, a touch of butter, in goes the pancetta, tiny cubes of flavor. We let them take their time, slowly releasing their fat, slowly building that first layer of taste. When the kitchen starts to smell like home, I add the garlic. When the pancetta turns golden, the first mushrooms, the thick slices of portobello, I put in. They touch the pan and they breathe out their moisture, then starts to take on color. This is where patience tastes the best. When the portobello has had its head start, I add the rest of the forest: chanterelles, oyster mushroom, asparagus mushrooms. Each one brings a different note, and together they sing in the pan. A little black pepper now to wake everything up. When the mushrooms are tender and glistening, I pour in the heavy cream. It wraps itself around every piece, turning the pan into something soft and creamy. We let it simmer gently. While the mushroom sauce settles into itself, I'll show you the tortelli filled with portobello mushrooms. The tortelli will cook in salted water, and I will pull them out just al dente, and they will finish their journey in the pan with a creamy mushroom sauce. A handful of fresh parsley, chopped finely, brightens everything. It is the little breath of green that keeps the sauce alive. And there it is, tortelli wrapped in a silky mushroom sauce. Simple, cozy, and full of flavor. If this brought a little warmth to your kitchen, feel free to subscribe and cook with me again. Our little community grows one dish, one story, one memory at a time.